In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to push and pull on GitHub, a crucial skill for any developer working with version control. We'll guide you through the first-time setup and the everyday workflow of interacting with your GitHub repository. Let's dive in. Imagine you've just finished setting up a new project on your machine, and now it's time to initiate Git within the project's directory. Navigate to your project directory using the command line or terminal. This is done by typing cd, followed by the path to your project folder. Once you're in the right location, initialize Git by typing git init. This command sets up a new Git repository in your project folder, effectively preparing it for version control. Next, configure your global user details. This step ensures that your commits are attributed to the correct user. You'll start by setting your name with git config global user.name, followed by your name in quotes. Repeat the process to set your email address by using git config global user.email, again followed by your email in quotes. This step is essential as it links your commits to your identity on GitHub. Now you can stage your changes. Use the git add cease command, which stages all changes in the current directory for the next commit. After staging changes, you'll want to commit them. Commits can be thought of as snapshots of your project at a particular point in time. Use the command git commit m initial commit. The m flag allows you to include a commit message, here noting this as your initial commit. You should also set the main branch. To do this, type git branch main. Now let's connect your local repository with the remote one on GitHub. Use git remote add origin, followed by your repository URL. This command creates a link to your GitHub repository, meaning you can now push and pull changes. To push the changes from your local repository to GitHub, enter git push /u origin main. This command uploads your main branch to GitHub for the first time, establishing a tracking relationship between your local repository and the remote main branch. Once you're set up, it's important to know how to pull the latest changes before you begin new work. You can do this by typing git pull origin main. Alternatively, a simple git pull will suffice if you're already on the main branch. This step ensures you're working with the latest version of the project, avoiding conflicts and discrepancies. When you've made updates to your project, it's time to push those changes to GitHub. Start by staging the changes with git add. Commit them using git commit updated project, replacing updated project with an appropriate message. Finally, push the changes using git push. For routine tasks, follow a daily push and pull workflow. Before starting work, pull any changes with git pull. After completing your tasks, stage, commit, and push the changes as before. This habit keeps your local version in sync with the remote repository and your teammates. It's also useful to periodically check the status of your repository. You can do this by using git status, which provides information on changes staged for commit and files currently being tracked. To view your repository's remote URLs, use git remote v. This confirms the connection between your local project and the GitHub repository. Lastly, check your commit history with git log to review past changes and track progress over time. By following these steps, you'll efficiently manage your code versioning with GitHub, ensuring a smooth and organized workflow for your development projects.